Hey Drew, I was just getting back from Skybridge, your big project down at Upper Marlboro, the multi-building apartment complex, and you said it's for retired people?
It's a senior living home.
For people that
seniors.
can still function on their own, but they're not getting full care. They can still, they're driving in and out, going places. It's a big job, it's fun to do, but that also comes with more problems. There's more materials to get, more guys to deal with, more people to interact within our company and with the building managers / HOA managers as our customers, more people that we need to keep in the loop, keep up to date, and keep happy, which they are now. Install complete. I know that you're going to go out
tomorrow.
And you said tomorrow afternoon to walk them through everything. Wilder showed them a few zones, but they still need to be taught how to use the controller, how to make any changes if needed.
The basic program.
If there's some emergency where they can't call us or don't want to wait to call us and they need it done right away, that way they can handle things themselves. They should be ready to go for the rest of this season and come next spring and all of next summer. Full coverage almost all the way around the property. There were some spots that you guys did not want to do.
Yes, that was the road-facing area. So all the landscaping is taken care of, but any of the landscaping or the yard that faces the road, the main highway, we're not covering.
What highway is that? Was that 301 or was that?
That was like 495. It's branching off because
It is right off the Beltway.
Yeah.
So on the street side, we've
301.
got the grass covered all the way up and down the property, and then the sides, the left and right of the building, but nothing off the major highway.
The backside.
It's something that the maintenance guys said that they could still handle hand watering that, and it's also not something seen by the public. People are driving by the highway at 70 miles an hour. They're hardly going to pay attention to
Only
it.
that backside, it's all of the rose bushes, all their main plants and things. So they're not too concerned about the yard area.
Yeah, we got all the plants covered. Those will be watered and then maintained by the apartment complex themselves. But from there, they can let the system run, handle the maintenance without having to worry about watering and making sure that everything stays alive. They can.
Sounds like you're saying they don't have to move sprinklers anymore.
No, they don't have to walk around with a garden hose, 300 feet of garden hose, because I know that we had 28 total zones.
28 total.
But those are commercial zones, not a 4-rotor
Residential
zone. That's a
Put Ocho heads on a zone.
10-rotor zone at the very most. The pressure there was good. We had anywhere from 8 to 12 rotors a zone. The spray heads were even more. That was pushing 12 to 14. 12 to 14 a zone. Multiple buildings, multiple controllers, which I know you had a lot of trouble. Well, not trouble, but it was a process getting that figured out, where to put the actual controller with the building managers, maintenance crew, so that they could have access to it, we could get to it if needed.
Biggest issue was all hands on deck needed it, but nobody else needed to get it. So we wanted to make sure we had the control box somewhere where ourselves, as in TLC, as well as the homeowner and HOA, knew where everything was, but not in a spot where somebody could come and tinker around with it or mess with it to adjust or change anything.
Well, Drew, sounds like everyone's all done and happy. At least on our end, we know that everything's done, complete. Every nozzle's in, every head's adjusted. They did a quick demo for the clients, but let me know how that walkthrough goes tomorrow and make sure everyone's happy.
Yes, sir. See you on the next one.